What if you could trade traditional financial markets without leaving your crypto exchange? BTCC's TradFi Trading Carnival is now live, giving users a new way to explore traditional market opportunities while trading with USDT. With BTCC TradFi, you can access popular traditional assets such as gold, silver, oil, Forex pairs, global indices, and major stocks, all from the BTCC platform. That means no complicated currency conversion, no switching between multiple apps, and no need to move funds across different platforms. You can use USDT as your margin and trade across both crypto and traditional market opportunities in one place. Whether you are watching gold, following oil prices, tracking Forex moves, or looking at major stock market trends, BTCC TradFi gives you a simple way to participate in these markets through contract-based trading. And now, during the TradFi Trading Carnival, eligible users can take part in campaign activities while exploring BTCC's TradFi products. Here's how to get started. First, log in or create your BTCC account. Next, visit the campaign page and join the TradFi Trading Carnival. Then, explore the TradFi market section, choose the assets you are interested in, and start trading based on the campaign rules. This campaign is a great opportunity for users who want to diversify beyond crypto and try traditional market exposure using the same USDT-based trading experience they already know. Trade smarter, explore more markets, and make your next move with BTCC TradFi. Join the BTCC TradFi Trading Carnival today. Trading involves risk, especially when using leverage. Please understand the product rules and trade only within your risk tolerance.